Hello everyone, welcome to FlexClip. Today I'll introduce the brand new Seedream 4, compare it with Nano Banana, and show you exactly how to use it for free. First, let's take a look at these crazy examples. Prompt: refer to this image. Generate 3 images from different views: 360-degree overhead view, an elevated view, and a back view. Don't change the girl's appearance and outfit. The result is very good, the character consistency is very good, and the images are also of high quality. You can just upload your logo and let AI design all your branded products. You can also upload multiple reference images and generate several outputs in one go, which help you boost your creative workflow. In addition, Seedream 4 also excelled in prompt-based editing and versatile styles changes. What is even more amazing is that it can easily generate visually appealing and accurate educational illustrations, charts, and professional images. These are hard to see in other AI models. Now let's see how to use Seedream 4 for free. First, search for LM Arena in your browser. Once inside the site, click on Battle button. After that, you will see 3 options: Battle, Side by Side, and Direct Chat. You need to click the Direct Chat option here. Then select Seedream 4 in the list. Now let me show you some crazy use cases. Here, I upload a blurry dog meme. Give the prompt and wait for 30s. Seedream 4 pushes the image straight to 32K ultra-high resolution. Notice how the fur details and the leather textures are crystal clear. It's absolutely stunning. As you can see, the original image was low resolution, but Seedream 4 can generate the image like this insane. Now let's try to generate a chart just with a sentence. I ask AI to draw a chart showing the typical vegetation distribution in 4 different climate zones. Take a look at the result generated by Seedream. It's absolutely amazing. The text is 100% accurate, the font size is just right, and the illustrations are spot on, perfectly showing the typical vegetation distribution in 4 climate zones. This is the power of AI, ready to use right away. Now let's look at some more interesting ways to play. Just enter this code, add a pack of lions to form the word lion, and you will get a lion made up of lions. It's fun, right? We can even update the prompt, change the lions to tigers. You will get a lion made up of tigers. It's time for a real showdown. On one side, we have the world's most recognized image editor, Nano Banana. On the other, the rising challenger, Seedream 4. Which one delivers the more stunning results? Let's find out and decide for yourself. To compare these 2 tools, first click New Chat, then select Side by Side. From the list, choose Seedream 4 and Nano Banana. For this test, I uploaded a reference photo and asked the AI to generate 4 high-resolution variations in different camera angles. As you can see, neither side is perfect, but both managed to keep the character consistent. Seedream gave me at least 3 different angles, while Banana gave me 3 identical ones. So which one would you choose? For me, I'd definitely go with Seedream. Let's do another image generation comparison. The prompt this time is American Retro Style, a woman wearing a polka dot dress with sunglasses adorning her head. The result from Seedream looks more high definition, while Banana's version captures the retro vibe. So for this round, I'd call it a tie. Let's move on to image editing. The prompt this time is make a fisheye overhead view of this scene. Both tools kept the character and background consistent, but Seedream's result really nailed the fisheye look. It seems to understand the prompt more accurately. Banana's version also feels a bit like fisheye, but more like a mirror reflection, since it ended up generating 2 women. So for this round, my choice goes to Seedream. Alright, here's the good news. You can try Nano Banana and FlexClip's AI image editor, and Seedream 4 will be available in just a few days. FlexClip is a one-stop platform for AI video creation and editing, making it easy for you to create amazing videos. And here's a bonus. Leave a comment with FlexClip below, and you'll get 100 AI credits to try for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.